Hey adventurers, welcome back to the channel. It's Ajani here, and today we're diving into something super exciting. My top 10 nature adventures in Jamaica for 2024. Whether you're into rivers, waterfalls, epic hikes, or scenic views, we've got something special for you today. Jamaica is home of some of the most beautiful travel locations, not just in the Caribbean, but in the world. So, without further ado, let's jump into the countdown. Starting off at number 10, we have the Falling Edge Waterfall in St. Andrew. Also known as the Bowden Hill Waterfall, named after the community in which it is located, this spot gained massive popularity in 2024 due to its close proximity to Kingston. Just a 30-minute drive from Manor Center and a short 10-minute hike to a pristine 40-foot tall waterfall. At just 500 Jamaican dollars for entry, it's a great spot for a quick nature getaway. The name Falling Edge comes from the dangerous edges around the path to the waterfall. So always be cautious when trekking this easy level hike. It's a must-see spot for cascading waters and stunning views. At number 9, we have the Mountain Spring Hiking Path in St. Andrew. This is the only exercise-focused adventure on the list, a low-level hike that's perfect for fitness enthusiasts. The trail winds through lush landscapes, dense forests, and cascading streams with a rewarding view at the top of the hill. It's a free access location in an uptown community, so be sure to be respectful on this hike. You may also find celebrities, athletes, and general fitness enthusiasts on this location. Coming in at number 8 is Reach Falls in Portland. This 33-foot waterfall is nestled in the mountain forest of the Jerkpork mountain range. It's surrounded by caves, pools, and even a mysterious nearby waterfall, the Mandingo Waterfall. Reach Falls in Jamaica is named after the runaway slaves or Maroons who discovered the area and shouted, "We'll reach" in their joy. If you're looking for a tranquil nature escape, Reach Falls is a must-visit location. At number 7, we have Joy Falls in St. Thomas. More famous for its controversial alternative name, Joy Battyhole Falls, this hidden gem in Wheelersfield, St. Thomas has multiple cascading waterfalls, making it perfect for a peaceful day of swimming and relaxation. Good for swimming, dives, and a nice little link up among friends. It's become very popular on TikTok and Instagram, so expect to see both locals and tourists enjoying this spot. Although it's free at the time of making this video, it may soon be commercialized due to its newfound popularity. Just narrowly missing out on the top 5, we have Blue Hole, located on the border of St. Anne and St. Mary. Known for its vibrant blue waters and cliff jumping opportunities, the lush forests and scenic views make it a must visit. This spot is an adventurer's dream. I highly recommend checking out Bridge Farm Blue Hole or Cool Blue Hole for the best tour guide experience. Entry is 500 Jamaican dollars, and don't forget to tip your tour guide for a memorable experience. Before we round out the top 5 nature adventures in Jamaica, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. The adventure continues. Now back to the list. Rounding out the top 5, we have the Salt River Mineral Bath in Clarendon. The perfect place to relax and soak in natural mineral-rich waters. Salt River is a unique hidden gem in the heart of Clarendon and is now famous for its recent 12-foot crocodile sighting in May 2024. Sometimes referred to as a pond and even a spa, the mineral-rich waters are said to have therapeutic properties, alleviating muscle tension and backaches, while community members insist the waters can even cure bad luck. The free public mineral bath, surrounded by mangrove trees, has the perfect shifting temperature of hot and cold, offering a refreshing experience. I would highly recommend you visit during the week and get there early on the weekends to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere before it gets too crowded. Coming in at number 4, we have Gutterhead Falls in Cool St. Thomas. Also known as Colored Springs, this twin waterfall is a hidden gem with vibrant colors and stunning scenery. The 20-minute low-level hike is worth it to see the 2 waterfalls side by side and even a third one nearby. It's a popular free location, complete with a community spring nearby. You'll see locals often diving from the edge to feel the full effect of the waterfall. If you're ever near Yala St. Thomas, make sure to check out Gutterhead Falls today. At number 3, we have Madafed Nature River in St. Mary. A peaceful river perfect for swimming and enjoying nature. Though there's some debate about its exact location, it's generally considered to be in Ocheria St. Mary, but you must pass through Exchange St. Anne to get there. Entry fee is only 500 Jamaican dollars as of making this video, and the river offers everything from swings with good vibes, scenic views, and a hidden waterfall for the curious adventurers willing to trek further down the river. The river's name comes from an elderly woman who helped take care of the falls many years ago, and so they happily named it after her. It's a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Just narrowly missing out on the top spot, we have Turtle Bay Cove in the Manchinial district of Portland. This spot is absolutely breathtaking, with crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and one of the most peaceful, secluded beaches in Jamaica. The owner's attention to detail and the scenic atmosphere make this location unforgettable. Although the turtles have long since gone, this stunning underwater world and beautiful beach still makes it one of our top destinations for 2024. Before we get to number 1, let's check out some honorable mentions that didn't quite make the top 10 but are still worth a visit. Hope River and Penfield in Augustown. Big River in Limehall, St. Anne. And Renewal in St. Mary. And here it is. Taking our top spot is NonSuch Falls in Portland, Jamaica. Standing at an impressive 290 feet, this is the tallest known waterfall in Jamaica. surrounded by lush forests, rivers, multiple cascading pools, it offers a truly immersive nature experience. The hike to both the top and bottom of the waterfalls provides breathtaking views, and the entire location feels like a nature lover's dream come true. Whether you're a hiker, a swimmer, a camper, or someone who wants to enjoy nature's beauty, NonSuch Falls is the ultimate adventure on this list. So there you have it, my top 10 nature adventures in Jamaica for 2024. Which of these spots have you been to? And which one was your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more details on these hidden gems, including Google Maps locations, be sure to check out the videos on our channel for more in-depth information. The links are listed in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures coming your way. Until next time, Ajani signing off. See you on our next adventure. Feel free to check out some of our other videos.